Could it be?
It's allowed for all. Okay.
I feel a bit uneasy. Want to check that chest?
That's. I mean, thank you for checking. I appreciate it, but like I said, it would only be very important if I was going to do it early.
Time to figure them out. Please sit tight,
But-
I guess. Come on, let's keep moving. Could it be?
I need to keep burning the toast. Until there's nothing left. Is there actually nothing in July?
Okay. Let's see.
Reduce wind damage. I mean, might as well. Not like the regeneration is gonna help.
Gotta keep moving.
Well, I mean, I'll own a Switch too, so.
Should we go back, just to be safe?
The sheer number of shadows does seem odd to me, though it appears more logical if this place truly is willing.
Look, look! Oh! Come on, let's keep moving.
Oh,
I'm
I
feeling
guess this is
better
kind of
now after all
random,
this
but
moving
since I
around.
kind of mentioned the
Well,
Switch too.
A little bit better. There's just a lot on my mind. Honestly, I feel as if I'm drowning in my
Wait, what do you mean The Last of Us Complete Edition? Oh my god.
Careful, the enemy's nearby.